Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Niche Products. Hope you are doing good and safe. So far we have covered on the tools that are useful for YouTubers, which are Social Blade, Analytics, vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So these tools are very useful for YouTubers. In the same way, many people search for video editing and recording tools like I used to search when I'm starting this YouTube journey. So many people start whether to think whether to buy or not initially, because I am one among them. So when we are not sure about continuing this YouTube journey or not, so I don't prefer to buy a paid version, right? So in the same way, I mean, I would suggest you to go for a free versions if you are just started, and explore the tools till you are comfortable for some time, at least 10 to 15 videos where I've been using the free editing tools. That is one among those tools are Loom. Loom is a video recording tool, and the video editing tool which I'm using is MiniTool video editing tool. So which these tools are both tools are free and don't have any kind of logo of their companies for 5 minute recordings. So video Loom is available in the as a Chrome extension in your laptops, Windows and Mac, and but in the mobile version it is available in iOS. And there are other recording tools, free recording tools that are available in Android too. But if you are using an iOS mobile, you can directly record your video in iMobile and just post it directly in the YouTube from the mobile itself. So that much easy and that much time consuming. So I would, if you are using your laptop also, I mean, you just install the Chrome extension of Loom and record the video for 5 minute limit, which is there. If you are having more than 5 minutes, you can have after 5 minutes maybe another video you can record, and you can club these two videos in the video editing tools which I'm talking about or going to show you in the MiniTool video editing tool. That is also free with small minor video effects where you can have. These two tools are more than good enough to start with free versions, and which with good quality and paid. I mean, I would suggest you to go these tools and install. And going forward also, I would be sharing you some more free recording tools and editing tools which might help you and decide in the near future which is comfortable for you to record your videos and editing. So for if you see my channel, and I have recorded all my videos using the Loom recording and this MiniTool editing tools. I did not use any expensive editing softwares or more features like video tools. So these tools are very good to go to start with. So just try to explore and let me know the feedback, and I can share you or help you in if anything required. Let me also show you the Loom recording software as well as the video editing tool which I'm talking about, MiniTool video editing editor. Yeah, we have discussed free editing and recording tools, right? So this is one of the Loom recording tool which I have signed up using my Google account, and you can sign in using either Google account or sign up a new account. So it is completely free for 5 minutes recording, and there are some features also available to it. And if you are an educational person or a professor or any other teacher or any college person who is teaching or educational purposes, you can send out a mail to the support team. They would increase your limit from 5 minutes to 45-minute limit. So which is a very good sign for the student, professors, teachers, and many educational people. So This is one of the best tool which I've been using to record for the past 13 or 14 videos which I've recorded so far. And before, earlier, it was there was no limit. Recently they have changed the limit to only 5 minutes, but it is more than sufficient if you record two times 5 minutes, 5 minutes. When I usually record for 3 or 4 minutes in the mobile, explaining about what exactly I'm going to share, and 5 minutes on the Chrome, I mean mobile, I mean on your laptop. What is the product or tool about? So in the same way, today also I told about the what free tools I'm going to use, and which you can install as well, and it helps to record and edit the tools. This is the there are free versions and paid versions also. If you see here, if there is a starter free version and up to 25 creators, and you once you record the video, you can even share this to someone to edit this video if you don't have enough time, and they can edit the video and save it in this tool itself, which you can download and upload in the YouTube. That is also time saving. This is for business and enterprise. I mean, business is $8, and enterprise, you need to send a mail. So this is one of the best tool where you can use using a Chrome extension from the laptop. I have already installed, so it is showing, and you can record using either a video alone, or you can use screen plus video, or you can do only the screen recording also. So you have three options. I have chosen screen plus video recording right now, so that's why both screen and video are recording now. So if you see here, as I told you, MiniTool Movie Maker is one of the free video editing tool which you can install. I have installed the Mini Tool Movie Maker 2.4 version. So latest version, whatever is there, you can install it. And I have uploaded all the files here. And if you see here, this is my last video. If you see, hardly it won't take much. And if you use any other subscribe and other option also, so this is very easy, and you can have your effects, transitions, and all these things here. So if you see here, transitions happening, and it is you can have your own effects, you can place text. So this is the basic version, but it is more than enough. Once you done this video 3 or 4, and you can add your music also. There is music available, so you can, once you are done, you can just export this video. So if you do this export, it will take hardly 15 minutes.